how so much that I love good news, especially breaking news that comes in good form. Hi guys, hello. So yes, it's Goodness Usman here, and I'm saying it's the good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Yes, my name remains Goodness Usman. I am the Fab Lady Welser for Nigeria 24/7. So yay! Happy new month! Welcome to the month of May. I pray that God in His infinite mercy will guide and protect us all this month of May, and this is going to be the best month yet in 2022. Alright, so I came bearing good news for you already as we kick off the month of May. You guys remember I've been talking to you guys about the Easter promo that was ongoing on GOODNEWS City, Excel Garden located in Igbonla Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, the promo ended on the 30th of April. Yes, just some few days back. It has actually ended. The buy 6, get 1 plot free, or buy 3, get 300 square meter free. It is off the market. But however, the MD's birthday was just on the 1st of May, and he said in the spirit of his birthday, he decided since it's his birthday week, he will extend the promo. Birthday / popular demand. Some people couldn't make payment over the weekend and all of that. So hey, in a nutshell, he has decided to extend the promo to 5th of May. Yay! So you just have a few days to get into it. So this is the promo that you're getting into. You're buying 6 and getting 1 free, or buy 3 and getting 300 square meter free. Each plot is selling at 1.2 million naira. That is the introductory promo price. So if you're buying 1 plot, you buy it at 1.2 million naira. You have opportunity to have installment plan for 12 months, which is 1,440,000 naira. Of course, there's 6 months payment plan as well. So yes, the outright is considered as within 3 months. So those who want to key into the promo of buy 6 get 1 free, or buy 3 plots get half plot free, is only on outright basis. It is not available for installment. So within 3 months is all you have to cap and pay your money, which is fantastic, by the way. You deposit 500,000 naira for those that are on outright, but for those who want to do instrumental, 200, 300,000 naira will suffice. Alright, so that's not the main juicy offer on this promo. That is the first level on the promo. Let me give you guys the second level, which is really very important. Now, when you invest right now, you're going to get these things. Apart from getting the extra plot free, you're going to get these other things free. You're going to get free, of course, contract of sale. You're going to get free deed of assignment. So when you key into this promo, you're not paying for deed of assignment. You're not paying any cover for agreement. Isn't that amazing? That's number 2. Apart from getting extra plot or extra half plot free, no deed of assignment. You're not going to pay 1 naira for deed of assignment. I mean, really, that's another amount of money that you're getting as discount. Now, you are also going to get 50% discount on the survey plan. Yay! Oh my God, you're not just getting additional plot free, you're also getting 50% discount on the survey plan, and also no cost for paying the the deed of assignment. You're not paying 1 kobo for the deed of assignment. Honestly, this is a very fantastic deal. If you ask me, it's a very, very good deal that you should actually take advantage of. So yes, I know that I've not said this other part for a while now, but this is it, you heard it. So now let's talk about how much is even the deed of assignment. It's 150,000 naira per plot. So you're getting an additional 150,000 naira per plot only. So you're not paying any cover for agreements. You shouldn't miss this offer. You shouldn't. Now let's talk about the survey. How much is the survey? The survey is 200,000 naira for the provisional survey. So you're paying 200,000 naira for provisional survey. Now, instead of paying 200,000 naira on a regular, you're paying 100k when you buy inside this during this promo period. 100k plus 150,000 naira. That's 250,000 naira discount you are getting for buying into this promo. Amazing, right? Meanwhile, on each plot, you're saving 300,000 naira. So you have 250,000, 300,000 naira. That's how much? That's 550,000 naira you're saving when you invest 1.2 million naira on a plot. Now, for those who are now doing buy 6 get 1 free, just imagine the extra free is 1.2 million naira. So let's add your 1.2 million naira with 550,000 on one plot. That's how much? 750,000 naira only. Now that 550 is supposed to be times 6. Guys, if I do the math very well, okay, so let's do the math. If I do this math very well, hold on, let me do the math with you guys. So you're getting one plot free if you pay for 5 plots, for 6 plots. Now the one plot is 1.2 million naira. We already know that. Now the 550 discount you got, extra you're saving, times 6. 3.3 million naira is what you're getting. Now 3.3 million naira plus 3.3 million naira plus 1.2 million naira that you got as the extra pay. 4.5 million naira. Now you're getting an advantage of 4.5 million naira when you buy into this promo now over that 6 plots that you're keying into. Now let's now leave this 4.5 million naira that you're getting. Remember that if you wait and don't key into this promo, you're going to pay extra 300,000. Now the extra 300,000 will be what? 300,000 times how much? Really? Times 6. That's another 1.8 million. So in all, you're saving yourself a huge 5 million, 5.5, 6.3 million naira if you buy 6 and get 1 free. We also remember that this company will start processing the COO very soon. So yes, when they process the COO, you're still going to pay a cost, but it will not really get to the same amount you're buying it now. You're going to buy a COO land in Epe. So this is a smart way of you putting your money to work for you. So like I said, I'm not going to do too much talk. I've said so much. I've shown you guys the site video. In fact, I was on site a couple of days ago, and the video I did on site is already saying that the promo is over. That is why I cannot upload it right now. Okay, so let me even show you guys the glimpse of it. Can you guys see it? I was there, it was raining. I had to do the video in the rain in my car. Can you guys see the rain? You see this side? It's raining. Honestly, I can't upload that video. I have to do this video because of this extension. So that shows to you that they had already ended the promo. And while I was on site doing that video, they had already ended the promo. But this came as a birthday bonus from the MD. Initially, it was supposed to be that the extra promo or buy 6 get 1 free is over, but they were trying to extend the 1.2 million naira. But right now, they're still giving you the chance of buy 6, get 1 free, or buy 3 and get 1 free. We just did the math together. You're going to get a huge amount of almost 6.8 million naira if you key into this promo. As a smart investor, you should know that the numbers count. When you know how to do your numbers, then you know how to take six opportunities when they present themselves. Especially opportunities like this, in cheap areas like this, in fact, that's not the word, in fast growing houses like Epe. And Igbonla, what's the center of attraction in Igbonla? Igbonla is already, it's not a bush, it's not a deserted area. This property is located in a place where a community where people are living already, right? There's a grammar school there. There's Igbonla Grammar School there, Lagos State Grammar School there. There's even a very big primary school there. There is St. Augustine University there. So, I mean, it's already a community where things are running, things are functioning, people are earning a living already there. And then these schools gives it reasons for you to also invest, because there are so many things that helps when you have schools around a particular location. And of course, there's medical facilities as well. Let's now not talk about the overall infrastructure that is coming into Ibeju, and then, of course, driving an extension into Epe. So owning a property this affordable is an opportunity for you to, to get your investment. You're putting your money into a fast-growing location, and then you're waiting for the place to start growing, and then you start watching your money grow for you. So, having said this all, I hope this encourages you to key into this promo. 500,000 naira is initial deposit for those who want to key into the promo for outright basis. call me, let me help you reserve your plot. So those that have been wondering, the survey cost, I hope you're watching now. Some people call and say the survey cost. Now you have gotten a discount on the survey cost. You're not even going to pay for agreement at all. And it's going to be in your contract of sale because you bought during this promo. Guys, this is a fantastic offer. Honestly, I think everybody should take advantage of it. That's all I just say. So yes, stop watching the video. Call me now. For those who had always wanted to, but they had one reason or the other they couldn't key into it before 30th. This is your window. Don't waste this window. Take advantage of it. Alright, give me a call and I will help you reserve your plot with all joy. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'm expecting your call. My name remains Goodness is One. Of course, you know that I'm your family director for Nigeria Rated Info. So don't forget, Easter promo on Goodness City, Excel Garden, located in Igbonla Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. Until when you give me a call, I really have to go now. So I say, what the